Hi everyone, for today's video, let's talk about composition of functions. The composition of function, f and g, is defined by this notation. So, paano natin binabasa to? F circle g of x is equal to f composed with g of x. So, yun ang basa doon. Ulit, f circle g of x is equal to f composed with g of x. So, itong notation na to guys, ito ay tinatawag nating composite function. Okay? Or composition of function. By the way, guys, sa previous video natin, yung f tapos dot g, that is different from this function. Okay? Magkaiba yon. Okay? Magkaiba sila guys. Okay? And if we have g circle f of x, likewise, it is now equal to g composed with f of x. Okay, so for us to fully understand this notation, okay, let's answer the example. So if f of x is equal to 3x squared and g of x is equal to x plus 3, find the following compositions. So hanapin natin to guys. Okay, for letter A, so we have f circle g of x. Okay, ito ay magiging ganito guys. So f composed with g of x. Yan, close. Okay, so what is our equation for the function of x or the f of x? That is equal to 3x squared. Okay. Sulat ko na lang dito. So, ibig sabihin, yung equation natin dito ay 3x squared. Ayan. And then, kumbaga guys, ang ginagawa natin, yung isang function, binubuo ng another function. Kaya composed, di ba? Or, it seems like, nagsasubstitute tayo ng isang function dun sa another function na yon. Okay? So, I hope na naintindihan nyo. Okay, so we have 3 here. Bring down. And then, yung g of x natin, guys, ano yung equation natin dito kanina sa g of x? That is equal to x plus 3, no? Tama. So, yun yung ibig kong sabihin. I-substitute natin doon sa in place of x, yung x plus 3. And then, do not forget the exponent. Paano natin ako yung x plus 3? Baka magtaka kayo. Dito kasi, guys, sinusundan natin to. Yung f dyan, ito yung equation niya, right? 3x squared. Yung kanina. Okay. And then, yung f, kinocompose ng g of x. Kumbaga, nagsasubstitute tayo ng function or na equation dun sa another function na yon. Okay? And then, let's simplify. Simplify natin to guys. So, we have 3. In this case, guys, hindi tayo basa-basa nag-multiply agad. Kasi we have exponent. So, PEMDAS rule tayo. Parenthesis exponent, no? Okay. So, x plus 3 squared. Paano natin simplify yan? Pwede tayo mag-FOIL method, right? Okay? Or, kung ayaw natin ng FOIL method, medyo mahaba. Pwede naman yung mental math na ginagawa natin. Okay. So, we have the first and second term, right? I-square mo yung first term, which is x squared. Square natin yan. And then, twice the product of the first and second term. Ito yung first at second. Twice the product. O, pag-multiply muna natin sila, guys. X times 3 or 3 times x. 3x. I-twice mo yung 3x. That is equal to 6x. Yan. Okay? And then, square the last term, which is 3. 3 squared. The answer is 9. So, kapag in-expand natin to, ito yung magiging sagot. So, in this case, guys, pwede kayong mag-FOIL method, pwedeng hindi. Ang ginamit natin dito, yung trick natin, no? Okay? And then, we have 3 here. I-multiply pa natin yan dito. Distribute. Okay? 3 times x squared is equal to 3x squared. And then, 3 times 6x, positive 18x. 3 times positive 9. Of course, positive 27. So, that will be your answer, no? Yan. Gets? Okay, what about if we have G circle of F or G of F? Okay. So, ito guys, magiging, kanina, F kasi yon. So, yung function or yung equation naman natin sa G natin ang gagamitin. Kaya ito ay magiging G composed with f of x. Ayan. So, I hope guys, naintindihan nyo kung paano ako mag-explain. Okay, yung g of x natin dito, yung equation natin kanina ay x plus 3, right? Tama? So, x plus 3 yan. Ngayon, yung equation natin ng f of x, yung function ng x na yan, isa-substitute natin dito kay g of x in place of x. So, yung equation ng f of x natin kanina ay 3x squared, right? So, i-substitute natin dito. So, this becomes 3x squared. So, I hope hindi kayo nalito. Yan. So, hindi na natin yan pwede ma-simplify. So, that's your final answer. Okay? Ganun lang kadali at kasimple. Next. Letter B. So, what if, guys, meron na tayong value yung x natin dito. Kanina, wala, no? Okay, may value yung x natin, which is positive 3. So, okay. Kaya nga, sa previous lesson natin, diniscuss ko doon kung paano mag-evaluate ng function, right? Okay, so magagamit natin yung knowledge nyo doon dito sa composition of function. Okay, let's perform f circle g of 3. So, magiging f, ayan, composed with g of 3. So, dito may value na yung x natin. May value ba talaga yung x natin? No, I'm just kidding. Okay. On a serious note, okay, ito ay, yung equation ng f natin ay 3x squared, right? Yan. 3x squared. By the way, bago natin solve to, solve natin yung g of 3, no? So, yung g of 3 natin, okay, yung equation natin doon kanina ay x plus 3, right? So, magiging x plus 3. So, 3 plus 3, right? Sinubstitute ko na, guys. Okay, so g of 3 equals 6. So, tandaan nyo. Okay, so substitute natin yan later. Ano yung equation natin ng f? Of course, 3x squared, right? So, 3x squared. Yan. And then, yung g of 3 natin, meron tayong value, okay, na-evaluate natin, which is 6. So, ito ay magiging 3 times 6 squared. Okay? Nasundan ba ako dun, guys? So, dito kasi, may value na yung x natin. Kanina, wala. Okay? So, ngayon, let's simplify again. 3 times 6 times 6 ay 36. Yung iba sa inyo, kapag nag-evaluate ng ganito, siguro dahil nagmamadali kayo, dapat multiply nyo 6 times 2, 12. Wrong interpretation yon, ha? Mali yon. Times itself. So, 6 times 6, that is equal to 36. So, how do we multiply? 3 times 36. So, 3 times 30 ay 90. 3 times 6 ay 18. 90 plus 18. So, 108. Okay? So, kapag in-evaluate natin yan, the answer is 108. Gets? So, ganun lang kasimple. Next, how about if we have G circle F of 3? So, same lang ng ginawa natin dito. Yun nga lang, mauna dito si G natin. Okay? So, this becomes G, okay, composed with F of 3. Yan. So, dito, evaluate natin yung function x natin, no? Yung f of 3. So, yung f of x natin, yung equation natin dun ay 3x squared, right? No? Okay. Since yung value ng x natin dito ay 3, so f of 3, so 3 times 3 squared. Okay. So 3 times 3, that is 9, right? So f of 3 equals 27. Okay. So ano yung equation natin dito kanina sa g of x natin, which is x plus 3, right? So magiging x plus 3. Okay, so yung ano yung f of 3 natin, substitute natin dito, which is 27. So 27 plus 3. So the answer is 30. So ganun lang kadali. Okay? Nako ba guys? Okay. Let's have another example para mas marami tayong matutunan. Kung may tanong kayo guys, pwede kayong maglagay sa comment section. Ayan. Okay, another example. Example number 2. Let f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. And g of x is equal to x plus 1. Find the following compositions. Okay, for letter A, f circle g of x. So, kapag in-evaluate natin to guys, magiging f composed with g of x. Yan. So, dito guys, yung f natin, ito yon. Yung f of x natin, yung function ng f natin ay 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, magiging, ito na lang. Sulat nyo lang yung equation nito. Ayan, 2x squared. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay. Yung g of x natin dito guys ay x plus 1. Okay. X plus 1 yan. So, lahat ng x natin dito replaced by x plus 1. So, 2 times x plus 1 squared plus 3 times x plus 1 minus 2. So, wala namang variable x dito, kaya remain lang siya. So, do not forget to write the exponent, guys, kasi meron talaga siyang exponent. Pag nagkamali kayo, syempre, magkakamap kayo sa maling sagot. Okay. Let's evaluate 2. And then, simplify natin to guys, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Ito ay magiging x squared plus 2x plus 1. Naku, pasensya na, tumatahol yung aso namin. Nagugutom na siguro. Okay, so plus 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is positive 3. And then minus 2. Yan. Again, simplify natin to. Okay, 2 times x squared. That is 2x squared. 2 times 2x, positive 4x. 2 times 1 is positive 2. And then, plus 3x plus 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, so hanggat meron pa tayong pwedeng ipag-combine natin. Okay, simplify pa natin yan. Since 2x squared has no similar term, we just bring down or copy. Copy nyo lang yan. Siya yung pinaka-leading term natin kasi siya may pinaka-highest exponent, descending order, pababa. Okay, magmula mataas na exponent pababa tayo. And then 4x and 3x are the similar terms, so combine. So, becomes 7x. I hope guys nasundan ako. Okay. And then 2 plus 1, that is equal to positive 3. Kasi yun ay like terms, no? So plus 3. So yan ang sagot natin guys sa letter A. Okay? Gets ba guys? Okay. For letter B, okay, pakisagutan at pakilagay sa comment section. So, that ends our presentation. I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Thank you for watching.